been a big week.
It's been a huge week.
We moved house. We got the keys to a new shop.
Keys to a new shop. Monday. You moved house.
Tuesday. Settled on this yesterday.
Wednesday.
We're here today.
Here we are.
And we start the reno on Monday.
I think we've got our hands full.
Yeah, I think we've actually really overdone it this time. Last time you were here, it was only a couple of days ago. I cannot believe how much has happened. I'm in absolute shock. So come on through and I'll show you. We've got a lot of mess. As you may remember, we had a really funny hallway. I think I mentioned that the whole vision was about seeing right through to the back door and right through to the back garden. And in 2 days, these guys have achieved that already. The structural changes, I think, in true norsu style, they started small and they got big. I don't know how that happened, and I don't know who's to blame. It wouldn't be me.
I think I know exactly who's to blame.
We also had a wall here, which was blocking the view to the living room. I've got a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old, and the key is to really have open plan where I can actually see them. The kitchen, which you may recall sort of went in a U shape around here. Beautiful laundry. I don't know why they've left those curtains, but I can assure you those will go shortly. So this door's been closed off. The reason we're doing that is to make the most of the space. So we're going to have obviously kitchen cabinetry running right along with the bench top and the sink in there. Then we're actually going to return that. So once this wall's gone, we've got a big island bench going in across here. Just imagine me cooking, which I don't do a lot of, I'll be honest, but overlooking the kids in the living room, which will be way better for family living. I think the plan in the beginning was to knock out one wall. What ended up happening is we knocked that out and we started to see the width that existed in the house. We moved 2 walls in the bedrooms and made a 2-metre wide hallway. We found false ceilings, 3 of them, so we kept going up and we got some beautiful 3.2 metre ceilings, which was like finding gold. But the ceiling heights have now literally expanded. So we knocked out that wall. We've extended all of the wardrobes because they used to be cut off for some reason.
Kind of just snowballed a bit, didn't it?
Snowball's a good way to put it.
Started small and as you say,
and it
just kept
getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, like cost implications, I'll be honest, it's probably we're 3 times what our budget was.
This is a bit different.
I know. Do you remember that this was 2 rooms?
I do, and you had a wardrobe cupboard.
Yeah,
with
hot water system. So we put all of that stuff outside, and I just wanted to open it up so that we could get a bath in because it didn't have a bath.
Yep.
And
oh no, it did. So don't forget the half bath in the bottom of the shower.
I think we don't need a huge house. Like we're certainly not people that need the humongous home. You know, that's not important, but making the most of the space that existed. So most people that do a reno will actually extend. No, we haven't. We've kept the bones of the house, or shall I say the external perimeter, and we've made the most of what's there. So, you know, being a mum, it's super practical. The kids have beautiful sized bedrooms. The living room has become larger that I can be in the kitchen and be seeing the kids. So everything's more practical.